Good morning, everyone. Myself Tarun Marwa. I am pursuing BBA from MERI College of IP University. Today, I am presenting a presentation on a topic of cost accounting. Cost accounting. Cost accounting is a business practice in which we record, examine, summarize, and study the company cost spent on any process, service, product, or anything else in the organization. So, objective of cost accounting. There are many objectives of cost accounting. The following are the main objective of cost accounting: to correctly analyze the cost of both the process and operations, provide requisite data and help in fixing the price of product manufactured or services rendered, help in the preparation of budget and implementation of budgetary control. In the contribution, fourth point is to provide specialized service for cost audit in order to prevent errors and frauds, determination of profitability each of the product and help management in the maximization of this profit, aid management in the formulation and implementation of incentive bonus plans on the basis of productivity and cost saving. And seventh point is effective control of stocks of raw material, work in projects, consumable stores and finished goods as to minimize the capital invested in them. So now we can compare the cost accounting with financial accounting on the basis of meaning. Financial accounting is recording of transaction is a part of financial accounting. We make financial statement through these transaction. With the help of financial statement, we analyze the profitability and financial position of a company. And on the basis of cost accounting is used to calculate cost of the product and also helpful in controlling cost. In cost accounting, we study about variable cost, fixed cost, semi-fixed cost, overhead and capital cost. On the basis of purpose, in financial accounting, purpose of the financial statement is to show correct financial position of the organization, to calculate cost of each unit of a product on the basis of which we can take accurate decision is in cost accounting. On the basis of controlling the financial accounting, correctness of transaction is important without taking care of cost control. And in the cost accounting done with the purpose of control over cost with the help of costing tools like standard costing and budgeting cost control. On the basis of fixation of selling price, fixation of selling price is not an objective of financial accounting, but on other hand, cost accounting provides sufficient information which is helpful in determining selling price. In further, on the basis of period of reporting financial accounting is at the end of financial year, that is 31st March. But in the cost accounting, reporting under cost accounting is done as per the requirement of management or as when required basis. On the basis of reporting, in financial accounting, costs are recorded broadly. In cost accounting, the minute reporting of cost is done per unit wise. On the basis of process, the financial accounting process is first journal entries, then ledger account, then trial balance, and then financial statement, that is our balance sheet. But on the other hand, cost accounting, cost of sale of product, addition of margin and determination of selling price of the product. Thank you to everyone to give your precious time to watching my presentation. Thank you to everyone to give your precious time to watching my presentation. Thank you. Have a nice day.